Hey there guys, Chris here, and in this video we are going to be discussing Indeed. Indeed is a popular online job search platform that connects job seekers with employers. It has over 250 million unique visitors each month and is available in more than 60 countries and in 28 languages. In this tutorial, we will provide an overview of Indeed and guide you through its features. We will also start by getting you familiar with a platform and then move on to an overview of the dashboard, and finally, we will show you how to find and apply for a job on Indeed. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. Getting started with Indeed is easy. First, visit the official website at Indeed@Indeed.com. Once you're on the site, you'll see a list of countries where Indeed operates. Select the country where you're located. For this tutorial, we are going to choose the United States. Next, click on the Sign In option. You have three options to sign in. You can use your Google account, Apple account, or your email address. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. Once you've signed in, you'll be able to identify as either a job seeker or an employer. For this tutorial, we will choose the employer option. Finally, verify your mobile number. This is a quick and easy step that it helps to ensure the security of your account. And after verification, you'll be directed to your account dashboard where you can start exploring all that Indeed has to offer. The Indeed dashboard is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate for both job seekers and employers. At the top of the page, you'll find a top bar with various main options. The Home tab is where you'll find a job feed, recent searches, the option to post your resume, hire people, and search for a job by keyword or category. Now, the search bar is a powerful tool that allows you to input job titles, keywords, or companies, and specify the location of your job search. This makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. You can also post your resume on Indeed, making it visible for potential employers and increasing your chances of being discovered. The Job Feed tab is personalized to show you job listings based on your profile and past searches. This means you'll see relevant job openings that match your skills and interests. Additionally, the Recent Searches tab keeps track of your search history, allowing you to quickly access previously searched terms and continue your job search from where you left off. The Company Reviews section allows you to search for companies or jobs and view reviews from current and former employees. This provides valuable insight into a company's culture, work environment, and more, helping you make a more informed decision about your job search. The Find Salary section is where you can search for salary information based on job title, company, or location. This tool provides valuable insights into the average salary range for a particular job or company, helping you make another informed decision about your career. The Inbox option allows you to manage messages from employers who have contacted you about a job opening. When an employer reaches out to you, you'll receive a notification in your inbox, making it easy to keep track of all of your communications. The Notifications section is where Indeed will keep you updated about your job applications and other useful information to help you with your job search. This includes notifications about new job openings or things that match your profile, application status updates, and more. The Profile section is where you can manage your personal information, including your resume, job applications, reviews, demographics, and account settings. You can also access resume help and tips to improve your job search. And finally, the Employer Post Job section is designed for employers, allowing them to post job listings and manage their job postings. This is where employees can find and recruit top talent for their organization. Now that you're familiar with the Indeed dashboard, let's move to the most important part: finding and applying for a job on Indeed. Finding and applying for a job on Indeed is a straightforward process. To start, use the search bar to enter keywords, job titles, or company names that match your job search criteria. For this example, let's search for web developer to find relevant job openings. Once you've entered your keyword, refine your search results by selecting a location. If you're open to working remotely or want to search for jobs globally, choose the remote option. Then click the search button to view your results. Your search results will appear below, and you can further filter them by date, remote work options, pay, job type, company sector, and more. Each job listing will display a brief summary, and you can click on any job to view its detailed description on the right side of the page. Let's say we want to view the details of the first job listing. When we click on it, we'll see a comprehensive overview including the job title, location, detailed description, benefits, and even the option to report the job if it's not a good fit. If you want to save the job for later, click the save icon to bookmark it. If you're ready to apply, click the Apply Now button and you'll be directed to a new tab to complete your application. To submit your application for the job, click on the Start Your Application button. This will direct you to a new tab where you'll need to fill out the required fields. Start by entering your first and last name, email address, and mobile number. First, you'll need to upload your resume in the Resume section. This is a mandatory step, and you can upload your resume from your computer, Dropbox, or Google Drive. Next, you have the option to upload a cover letter in the Cover Letter section. Additionally, you can upload any supporting files in the additional files section that might strengthen your application. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and uploaded the required files, click the Continue button to proceed with the application. We'll click the Continue to move on to the next page where you'll need to provide some personal information, including your first and last name, street address, city, zip, province, zip code, country, and phone number. There's a lot there, but that's okay. In addition to providing this personal information, you'll also need to answer a yes or no question, provide details about your employment, history and education, and complete a voluntary self-identification section and applicant agreement. Once you've completed all of these steps, click the Continue button to move forward. If you encounter any errors or missing information, the form will prompt you to fill in the necessary fields. After clicking Continue, you'll see a thank you for applying message, which means that you have successfully submitted your application for the job, and this is a confirmation that your application has been received and will be reviewed by the employer. From here, you can either continue browsing for more job opportunities or go back to the dashboard. And that's it. You have successfully found and applied for a job on Indeed. With its user-friendly interface, extensive job listings, and helpful features like salary information and employer reviews, Indeed is an excellent resource for anyone looking for a new job. If you want to start using Indeed, you can find the link in the video description and you can start your job search today. All right, that is it for this tutorial on how to use Indeed. I hope you found this video useful and learned something new. If you found this content helpful, please give a thumbs up to show your appreciation. It sincerely helps. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thank you for watching and take care.